Hey foodies, welcome back, welcome back. Valentine's Day is quickly approaching, so let me show you how to prepare this delicious, quick and easy steak dinner for two. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's start by making our mashed potatoes. To the water with the potatoes, I added some garlic. Allow that to boil until tender. Once it's tender, I went in with my masher and I just mash it till it's nice and smooth. Once I was done mashing my potatoes, I went in with some butter and I just mixed that in until it was very well combined. Next, I will flavor up my potatoes with some seasoned salt, complete seasoning, some garlic powder, and black pepper. I will also follow up with some half and half milk and cream. We will mix everything until it's nicely combined, and that's basically it. Super simple, quick and easy. Anyone can make this. Once I was done, I added some fresh parsley for garnish. And yeah, now let's move on to the next side. Now let's prepare some sauteed asparagus. I added a pinch of oil just to prevent my butter from burning. Then I followed up with my asparagus. It was already washed. I will also add some seasoning for flavor and taste. Give it a good toss, and you never want to cook asparagus too long or else it will become stringy. So about 2 minutes max, and this is all done. We can just turn the heat off and add this to our serving dish. Quick, easy, and simple, guys. Now let's prepare a quick garlic parmesan cream sauce to go with our steak. To a saucepan, I added some oil to prevent my butter from burning. Then in goes some minced garlic. Allow that to go for a few seconds or so. Then we'll follow up with some flour. Allow that to go for about a minute or so. And then we will come in with some heavy cream. Once the cream is added, you want to allow it to come up to a simmer before we come in with our Parmesan cheese. Now we'll add a little Parmesan cheese along with some seasoning for flavor and taste. And that's basically it, guys. Quick, easy, and simple. This is now done. We can turn the heat off and set it aside. Now let's prepare our entree. We'll go ahead and just season up these steaks using some garlic and onion powder, paprika, some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and some seasoned salt. So what I like to do is go in and just combine all the seasonings so they can be evenly distributed onto the steak. Once they are well combined, I then, coat my steak with some oil just so the seasonings will adhere. You want to coat it on both sides, and then we will start to apply the seasonings on both sides. You just want to gently pat the seasoning in. You don't want to rub it because you don't want to rub it off. So you will gently pat it in and just make sure that the steaks are well coated on all sides. Here to my preheated skillet, I will add some oil. Allow that to heat up very hot. Then we will place our steak in there. You want to give this a good sear and allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. I like my steak cooked medium, but if you like yours well done, you can cook it for a longer period of time. So this will take approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side. Then, I will flip it and just allow it to go for the same amount of time on the other side. I like to flip it on the side to make sure we render that fat off. And yeah, make sure that the steak is nicely cooked on all sides, and then we will remove it and carry on with the same steps with the other steak. And here you have it, my version of a quick and easy but yet amazing Valentine's dinner idea. Even a beginner can do this. It's so simple and easy, and it's absolutely delicious. Your date will be blown away. I hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.